What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a video montage from Central Florida Cars and Coffee this past Sunday. So if you're local and you missed it, check it out here. And if you're local and you haven't got there, I highly recommend you check it out because it's getting bigger and better every month. And I think in Central Florida, I believe that's like the best one so far, and it just keeps on growing. So anyways, enjoy the cars and enjoy the music. See you back in a minute. Hey, I hope y'all enjoy that. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe, and just tune in for what's coming next. This week we're going back to the track. I'm taking the blue Mustang, the supercharged GT, and I'm just gonna go have fun with it. No goals of running anything. I'm just gonna go line up and run whoever's next to me and just have fun with it. But Marty's going, and he's gonna try to get down the track this time without breaking anything, and if he does, we'll see how much better he gets as he keeps running. And we have Danny's going too with the Audi A3. He's gonna try to see if he can find some scats to beat, because last time he was just like a little bit there, a little bit short, but I think he got it. And Rob is coming with his car number, like, I don't know, 15 or whatever, and we're gonna see what the car runs stock. He's got a Audi RS3 now, and we're just gonna put a baseline time down and see how better it gets with tuning and all that stuff. So yeah, just tune in and see what's coming up next. Peace.